My name is Jeetam Sai. Today we are going to learn how PCAP analysis and MITRE attack correlation on HTTP and HTTPS download analysis. So first of all, let's learn the introduction. Network packet capture PCAP analysis is one of the most practical skills in cybersecurity, especially when it comes to understanding how actor deliver malicious payload to victim machines. In this assignment, I have analyzed the PCAP file obtained from malwaretrafficanalysis.net. So here is the PCAP source information. The PCAP file used for this analysis was downloaded from the following sources. So we have downloaded the PCAP file from this source, and here you can see the details. So now let's dive into the methodologies. First step one, open PCAP file in the Wireshark. So first we need to download the file and open it in the Wireshark. So the step two is change the time display format to date and time of day. So by this you can change the time. And also the step 3, examine the protocol hierarchy, go to an overall picture of the traffic composition and identify dominant protocols. So by following all these steps, the main thing in here is HTTP get and post request capturing. So apply the display filter HTTP to isolate all the HTTP traffic. Then specially look for the HTTP get and post request using HTTP request. So the findings, the key findings are suspicious HTTP get request downloading an executable file. So we have used some exe file, and with the get method, the response code is 200. So once we will go to the Wireshark and test it. So apply the filter as HTTP and go to any web HTTP request get exe. So as you can see in the screenshot, we have get some HTTP get request. So like that we have to perform the HTTP post request, sending coded data to external servers, and with that we will get this output has HTTP post request sending enabled. So then finding number 3, HTTPS or TLS connection to suspicious domain, encrypted payload delivery. In addition to the plain HTTP traffic, I also noticed several HTTP TLS HTTPs. So here you can see TLS with TCP versions, which I noticed during the HTTP request I have sent it, and additional observations. So TCP 90%, 94% of the protocols are majority of TCP IP. There you can see statistics, protocol hierarchy. Here you can see the whole hierarchy here, statistics, analysis. So like this. So this is the protocol hierarchy I captured during my execution. And then finally the MITRE attack table. So these are the 4 observations I find out, like Wireshark evidence, the indicator, attack tactic, attack ID and name, justification. So with this you can see all the observations I found out during the experiment. So the conclusion, through this PCAP analysis exercise, I was able to identify a clear HTTP based malware infection chain by examining network traffic in Wireshark. The analysis revealed three major suspicious behavior. A HTTP download of an executable file from an external IP, which served as an initial payload delivery mechanism. So the references are this. Overall, finally the overall this assignment provides hands-on experience with real-world malware traffic pattern and improved my understanding of how MITRE attacks framework can be applied to network forensics. I would like to thank Doctor. So this is the assignment we have done for the our team.